Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be going and cleaning out all my drawers in my bathroom. Just these 3 drawers down here. These are the drawers I have that are mine. The other ones are the other ones. So it's pretty messy in here, so I really want to organize it. I didn't get any containers to organize it though, but I will do that in another video probably, in like a vlog style. But I really just want to clear everything out that I don't use, because there's a lot of skincare in here that I don't even use anymore, and that's super old. So this is like a declutter, organizing, vanity type of video. So first off, I'm just going to start with this drawer, and I'm going to empty everything out. And whatever I don't keep, I will let you know. This is actually really good. I really enjoy this very much. These are super old, so I'm going to get rid of that. This is for my kids, not shouldn't be in here. These are some pimple patches. These are old, so I'm throwing these out. These are, see, I don't even know why these are in here. Like, we just throw shit in here. These lashes, I don't like these styles. They're too flimsy and they look too plasticky. I even have candy in here, guys. This is not mine, so I'm throwing that out. This is not mine. Nope. These, honestly, I got them off of Amazon and they suck, so throwing these out. These are my old glasses, but I'm gonna throw these away because obviously they're not good anymore. This is a really pretty nail polish, so I'm keeping that. Okay, so the majority of my Pixie stuff is gonna go in the trash because it is super old. Like, I don't even know how old this is, but it's super old, so it's going in the trash. Okay, so these are flushable wipes. I do use those. This, I've had it for almost 3 years, so I'm going to toss this. This is probably old, tossing that. Taking this. This is super old, so tossing that. Tossing all of this stuff. Everything else in here, I'm tossing it with this little brush, because this is a brush I usually use. This is a mascara, pretty old, so I'm tossing it. This is a really good mask, so I'm keeping this. It's all trash. This is pretty old. Okay, literally everything else in this drawer is trash. So okay, so that's pretty much clean. So I'm just gonna put these stuff back in here. Basically everything that's gonna go in here, because for now, I'll put my stuff in here. This is one I have the most products in. This shouldn't even be here. This is for the babies. This is for their heads, so they don't like water on their face. So that goes in here. Okay, all this stuff is like so disorganized. So all of this are obviously when I get my period, but I do not get my period very often. I get my period maybe like every 2-3 months. So I'm just gonna put all this stuff in this bag right here and under the sink, because I don't use this stuff on here. This is a mess. It's probably dirty. There's my nephew right here. No puppy, no puppy, no. He likes to help, but he really doesn't help. No! This is empty, but I am keeping this because I do want to do a empties video. So I'm keeping that. These are my travel stuff. Okay. So see, I have so many Pixie stuff here. This is all old. Like, this is like 2 years old. So I'm gonna throw this one away. Oh, let's see. I'll keep this one actually. But these are super old. These are like before I even had Adrian, so that's like literally 3 years old. So all these are going in the trash. This is going in the trash. Old. I think I'm just gonna dump out all my Pixie stuff because I'm telling you, these are like 3 years old. They are used. They have very little product left in them, but I'm just throwing them all out. I actually really like this one. This is a Pixie Skin Treats Overnight Retinol Oil, so I'm going to keep this one. But I'm going to place it up here. This is an e.l.f. Hydrating Bubble Mask. I actually really like this. Go there, baby. Ven, encanto. So I'm going to put this up here. Let's just throw all this away. I'm literally getting rid of everything. The huge skincare declutter. And these are just like my fills for... These are my fills for my razors. These are probably the best fills ever. This is Urban Decay Meltdown Makeup Remover. I love this stuff. It takes away your makeup so fast. So I'm definitely putting this as well. And this is floss. Okay, so I don't even know what I'm going to put in this drawer, but we'll figure it out. Okay, so I know what I'm going to put in here. Okay, so I'm going to keep the Glow Tonic in here. And then I also have this new one that they sent me. I really gotta start using this more often. And then a little spray thingy. And then I'm going to add all my Bath and Body Works stuff into here as well. It's not going to fit like that, so... I have all my sprays, which I don't think will fit like... Okay. So I'll probably just need to put everything down like this. But it's the only place I really have to put all my stuff. Doesn't really fit. There's like mini travel size ones too. And then I have these hand sanitizers as well. So these are gonna go right there. And I'll leave one up here. And then I'll also put, I mean, it's not like super organized obviously, but I'll put these up here. So you guys can see like, I just put these over here. Okay, I finally put my Bath and Body Works stuff away. I've been wanting to do this video to declutter all this just so I can put my Bath and Body Works stuff in here. And then the last one is this drawer right here. I've had this straightener for years, but I'm still going to keep it until I do buy a new one. Honestly, from here, I'm not really throwing anything out except for this curling iron. I don't use it anymore. It doesn't curl my hair at all. This sponge, I'm going to toss. This curling iron, I'm going to toss as well because it doesn't curl anymore. There's a marker in here. I don't know why. And the sprays are in here. It's empty. And these are my pimple patches. These are honestly the best. So I'm going to put these in here. Skincare. Alright guys, so that is basically all. It is kind of a short video, but I really hope you guys enjoyed this little declutter that I had for you. And, oh, there's one more thing I want to put in here. Oh, so alright guys, well I hope you guys liked this little declutter. Honestly, it looks so much better than it did before, and I'm really happy about that. So I will catch you guys in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a huge thumbs up, and click that bell so you're notified every single time I upload, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!